Introducing the Mobius Tumbler and Brush Washer, an automated way to clean these components quickly and efficiently and get you back to trimming in no time. Start by removing the right locking ring from the tumbler frame and then draping your tumbler over it, being careful not to snag the cables. Place the right locking ring back onto the tumbler frame. Lock the tumbler cap in place by fitting it into the cutouts on the locking ring and rotating it. Lock the bottom tumbler cap into the bottom ring in the same fashion. Turn the knob on the right locking ring clockwise. You should see the tumbler cables start to tighten. Place the tumbler frame into the washing tub by setting the left side down and leaving the right side to rest on the metal extension. On the left side, make sure the small hole lines up with the driving pin. Lift and slide the tumbler frame onto the motor shaft. The tumbler frame extension on the right side will slide into place. Insert your dirty brush into the clips on the lid in the same way you clip it into the lid of the M108S. Fill the tub with warm water and degreaser. Close the lid. You're now ready to start washing. Press the green button to begin the washing process. When you push the emergency stop button, you won't be able to press the start button again. This is a safety feature. You'll need to rotate the e-stop to the right to disengage it first and then push the start button. To end a cycle, simply press the smaller red stop button. The tumbler will rotate in the soapy solution and clean the brush anchored in the lid at the same time. Removing the tumbler and brush. Start by unplugging the machine and locking all 4 of the casters. Open the lid and remove the tumbler frame by lifting and pulling slightly to the right side. Set it on the ground so you can access the tightening knob. Turn the tightening knob counterclockwise to undo the tension in the tumbler, then rotate the tumbler end cap to detach it from the right locking ring. Next, detach the left tumbler end cap from the left locking ring and slide the tumbler off the frame. Remove the brush by unclipping it at each end. That's it! You're now ready to load the tumbler and brush back into your M108S to start trimming.